western Teller County in central Colorado, west central El Paso County in east central Colorado, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over western Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Fountain, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Stratford, Fort Carson, Security, Peterson Air Force Base, Security Widefield, Cimarron Hills, and Cascade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.